looking at the indicators, we are looking for down move like this to this gray line. RSI on weekly of Nasdaq is a big indicator, is showing a sign that we will turn around and touch this trend line, causing price to make a lower low, while RSI on weekly of Nasdaq will make a higher low. On weekly, there are hidden bearish divergences on Nasdaq and on S&P 500. With Nasdaq, we can clearly see that the price is making lower low, while the indicators are making higher high, which shows that we are ready for a decline like this. On daily time frame of Nasdaq, we have bearish divergences, and I think that the price is ready to turn around. Hello guys, how are you? Today we saw turnaround in the prices. Finally, the prices are turning down. Microsoft declined a lot, and so did Apple. So now in the coming days, we are expecting a complete and total decline in Nasdaq, which had been the odd man out. Why? Because all of the indices are showing something else. All of the indices are showing weaknesses. For example, let's pull YM. YM is showing weakness. Russell, it's showing weakness. Russell is a clear bear flag, and it should, go down. This is a YM, and this is SPX500. It should also do something like this, or this, totally down. And we have here Nasdaq. Nasdaq is the instrument I trade often, so I will be discussing Nasdaq over here, and based on this you can do the same sort of analysis on SPX or YM, Dow Jones, etc. So like I said, that what happened in the previous months, that we declined in WXY, and now we are making a big X, and now we are going to decline in the Y. So this is the plan. Why I think this is the X? Because of the hidden bearish divergence on the weekly. So I don't think that price is going to continue going up. I know this is the generally perceived upon wisdom in the market, but I just told you why we will not go up. And we have the already the signs in the indicators that we trade with. That is hidden bearish divergence, which is the best trading signal that you can ever get. This is my personally the favorite trading signal. I love trading hidden bearish divergences and hidden bullish divergences. And also on the daily, we have the what do we have? We have the normal signal for the bearish divergence. And now these are the algo lines. So what I am expecting, I'm expecting that price should go down and touch this gray line, do a correction, and then go down. This is the plan that I have. Why I think so? Because of the hidden bearish divergence, and also when the price comes so low, it must come down and test these lines. So I have a faith in my algorithm, and I must follow the faith, and I must look for the decline in this market. Nowadays, because we have had this breakout, everybody is looking for a pullback and go up like this. In fact, everybody is looking to go up directly like this, like exponentially, parabolically going up like this. So because everybody is looking for this move up, it will not happen, and we will decline and go down and test these line. Just because the price is above moving average 200 doesn't mean we are in a bull market. Had that been the case, then everybody would become millionaire. Why? Everybody will wait for the price to go above moving average 200 and trade the bullish cross, bullish signal or bullish cross, whatever, green cross, whatever you call it, spring cross, and they become millionaires. But what is the reality? The reality is that everybody is poor. They are not millionaires. So I think the trend will continue. The herd will long here, herd will long here, herd will long here, herd will long here, but we will go and decline like this. We will go below moving average 200 in the Nasdaq. We will correct and then we will go down. This is what is going to happen. We can see the plan in the weekly, and in the monthly we can also see the plan. Do you see the indicators? It is already making hidden bearish divergence on RSI on the monthly chart. So I think it will play out and we will decline like this in the monthly. But also let's look at the S&P 500. S&P 500 also in the weekly, the cycle analysis of RSI. What does it show? What does it show? That's one moment. The cycle analysis of RSI shows that we should do an equal leg of this, which means we should get a decline in price like this. That is, we should go down like this, make an equal leg in RSI like this, and then we will go up. So expect a fall in the price, and I expect a not hidden, I expect a bullish divergence on the weekly for ES before we will bounce, not before that. This is the bottom line. We need a bullish divergence on weekly before we can buy. This is the bottom line. And I will also tell you a few things. For example, if we draw the trend line in ES on the daily chart, one moment. So we can see that the price has not come down and tested it. So this is what the plan is. I think it will come down and test it, or it will come down and test this, touch this gray line or this gray line. This is the plan. So I think it will come down and do this, at least. Microsoft is doing what it should be doing. That is, in 4-hour chart, let's see. Yes, it is. I think it finished. It finished the wave 1 down, wave 2 up, and now we should get a fast wave 3 down. This whole looks Microsoft looks like a bear flag. This is a bear flag. This is a wave WX, wave X, and now we should decline like this before up. Microsoft is a good chart to follow if you are trading Nasdaq, and we can clearly see Microsoft making some sort of a wave 2, completing the wave 2 today. This was the wave 1. This is the wave 2, and now we should expect a decline into the wave 3. Apple also declined today. This was the wave 1, this was the wave 2, and now we should get our wave 3 on the daily, like this, at least, and then or totally down. But we will go step by step, right? So the biggest hint is the biggest hint for the turn around which is coming is RSI. RSI is making head and shoulder on the weekly. and it will turn around, like it turned around over here when it last made a head and shoulder on RSI, like it did turn around over here. So expect a turnaround like this. Okay, how it will play out, I'll show you. I think RSI on Nasdaq RSI, sorry, it will come here and then it will go up. When the RSI will decline to here, the price will decline a lot, equal to this magnitude, Why? Because we will decline of this magnitude, and what is the corresponding price of to this? This is the corresponding price action. So we will get same sort of price action here. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm trying to teach you. And if you guys like my algorithm and my unique style of analysis, you guys can contact me at eiplan@protonmail.com. Also, you guys can join my Discord channel, and that is it. That is what I am looking at right now. I'm looking for a decline in market. Nothing has changed. Everything is going as per the plan. Let other guys long the market. Just because it has broken the trend line doesn't mean it's gonna go up. Okay, it will come down like this. Okay, thank you very much. I'll see you next time.